Here I've got Doogee Mix, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and then select the settings. Here you will find call blocking at the end of the list, and now simply by clicking on Add a number, you can add some number that you would like to block. So let me enter some number and then click on block. And from now on, this number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any calls or messages from this annoying number. Then, if any time you would like to remove this number from your blacklist, simply tap on the cross icon and confirm that you would like to unblock this number by clicking on unblock. And as you can see, it has been unblocked. So actually it's quick and easy like it is. So this is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.